COSORI TurboBlaze smells like plastic? Here's what to do. If your COSORI TurboBlaze smells like burning plastic on the first use, don't panic. It's a normal part of the factory curing process, and it's easy to fix safely. Step 1. Run a full test cycle with no food. COSORI recommends this before your first cook. Set the fryer to air fry at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Let it run empty with the crisper plate in place. This helps burn off any factory coatings or residue from packaging. Step 2. Ventilate the area during the test run. Keep the fryer away from walls and under a fan or open window if possible. The plastic smell may be strong at first but should fade by the end of the cycle. Step 3. Wash the basket and crisper plate. After it cools down, wash both parts in hot soapy water using a soft sponge. Don't use abrasive tools. They can scratch the non-stick. I use a non-scratch dish wand that reaches corners easily and won't damage the coating. I've linked it below. Step 4. Wipe the inside walls with a damp cloth. Take a soft cloth and gently wipe down the inside of the air fryer once it's cool. Don't spray water directly inside or touch the heating element. The plastic smell should be completely gone by your first or second real cook. If it lingers after multiple cycles and cleanings, contact COSORI support using the link in the description. If this helped you get rid of the smell and start using your air fryer worry-free, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you still need a safe dish wand for non-stick basket cleaning, I've linked the one I use below. It's soft, angled, and built for air fryer corners. Thanks for watching and enjoy the real smell of food.